You're most welcome back to the channel. Happy to have you all here again. In this particular video, we'll be looking at the Hebrew of the Igbo people, the word Maazi. The word Maazi, okay? So, going straight into it. The word Maazi today in the Igbo language is a word that has gained a lot of prominence in the last decade or so to say. Prior to this time, you may not have had, the word in this kind of prominence because now it's very, very common, okay? But what people may not know is that the word Maazi is actually a Hebrew title, okay? Now, in the Igbo language, use Maazi to refer to a man who has come of age generally in the community. It is a word that is used to show deference or respect, okay? Now, the meanings and application in the Igbo language is used to refer to Mr., okay? It's used generally to mean Mr. It's used to mean a family head or a patriarch. Is also used to refer to a man of a high social standing. So these are the applications of the words in the Igbo language. However, that word is actually the word you get in Judea as Nasi. Nasi is what they call the word Nasi. It is written this way, okay? It has more or less very, very similar usages in the Hebrew of Judea. And it's just interesting. The word Nasi is used to refer to the office of the president. That is Mr. President. They will say Nasi. Maazi Benjamin Netanyahu. That is the way they actually use the word Nasi. I'm just telling you that the meanings are the same thing from this tongue into the next, okay? Generally the same usages. Now, one thing that I've noticed while studying the two Hebrew tongues is that they usually flip the N and the M, just as in this word. Another word like that is the word you call wretchedness or poverty. In the Igbo language, you say obiam. If you go into the Hebrew of Judea, especially the older Hebrew of Judea, you get a word like ubion. Ubion is actually what they call it. Wretchedness, a total state of poverty is called ubion in the older Hebrew of Judea. While in our tongue, we call it obiam. So you see that N and M playing some games there. I see them as twins who are usually together in a word. It's actually one comes out or the other comes out. So that is just talking about the words, these Hebrew words in the both languages like that. So the word Maazi in the Hebrew of Igbo is actually Nasi in the Hebrew of Judea. So just getting it out there so people can know some of these things very importantly. Yes. Okay, I will see you on another video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.